everyone, welcome to Aaddy's Learning Zone. In this video, we are going to learn about two sounds of letter Z. Two sounds of letter Z. Sound 1 is called as a hard sound and the second one soft sound. The hard sound is G and the soft sound is Z. Let's see when to pronounce G and when to pronounce J by using the rules. Let's see the rule to use hard sound of G, which is G. If the letter G is followed by A, O, U and consonants. How many consonants do we have? We have 21 consonants, right? If the letter G is followed by A, O, U of the vowels and consonants, we need to use the sounding of G. Let's see the examples. Game. The letter G is followed by A in this word. So we pronounce it as a game. Goat. In this word, the letter G is followed by letter O. So we are using G sound. Gun. In this word, the letter G is followed by U. So we are using sound of G. Gun. Great. The letter G is followed by R, which is consonant. So we pronounce it as a G. I hope you understood the hard sound of G when to pronounce. It's simple vowel letters of A, O, U and also consonants. How many consonants we do have? We have 21 consonants. So we can pronounce G. Now let's see when to use the sounding of J. Let's see the rule of it. If the letter G is followed by E, I, Y, letter E, letter I, letter Y, we need to use the sounding of J. Let's see the examples. Germs. In this word, the letter G is followed by letter E. So germs. Let's see one more example. Giant. In this word, the letter G is followed by I. So we call it as a giant. Gym. In this word, the letter G is followed by Y. We use the sounding of J. I hope you understood the pronunciation of G, which is G and J. And G is used to pronounce when we see the letters of A, O, U and consonant letters followed by G. And when we pronounce J, if the letter G is followed by E, I, Y. And be ready to do the practice in our next video. Thank you.